In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule a meeting with multiple guests in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear professional event that sends invites to everyone who needs to be there. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for this meeting. If you use multiple accounts, double check which one is active so the event appears on the right calendar and the invites come from the correct email. Once your calendar is open, look for the Create button, usually at the top left of the screen. Click Create to start setting up a new calendar entry. This opens a small event window where you can define all the details of your meeting. From the options that appear, click on Event. This tells Google Calendar you're creating a standard event, not a reminder or task. The full event editor will open, giving you more space and options to configure everything properly. Now add a title for your meeting. In this example, we'll call it Team Meeting. Type that into the event title field at the top. Use a clear title that tells people exactly what the meeting is about, so when they see the invite in their inbox or calendar, they immediately know what it refers to. Next, select the date and time, click on the date field and choose the correct day from the calendar. Then adjust the start and end times to match when your meeting will happen. If your team is spread across different time zones, glance at the time zone settings to make sure it's correct, so guests see the meeting at the right local time. You can also turn on the all-day option if it's a full-day event, but for most meetings you'll want a specific start and end time. Now it's time to add guests. Look for the Guests section on the right side of the event window. In the Add Guests field, start typing the email address of each person you want to invite. As you type, Google may suggest contacts. You can click those to add them quickly. Add as many guests as you need. This is what ensures everyone receives an email invitation and the event is added to their calendars once they accept. After that, add a description for the meeting. In the description box, you can include an agenda, talking points, links to documents, or any context guests should review before joining. The more specific you are here, the easier it is for everyone to come prepared and stay on track during the meeting. When everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar will then prompt you to send email invitations to your guests. Confirm that you want to send them so everyone receives a notification, and that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting with multiple guests in Google Calendar.